What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Tinker and Joe. I'm Joe. All right, today we got a little video on replacing a hub bearing on a '04 Saturn. This will be the same from '04 to '07, I believe. So it's just hopefully it'll be a short video of a DIY, do-it-yourself on replacing this hub bearing. So with that being said, let's get set up over here and get started. First thing we gotta do is remove the wheel, pull the center cap off, and you have four 19mm lug nuts. Pull the tire off. See if we can get y'all situated where maybe you can kind of see what's going on. Next thing you'll need to do is remove the brake caliper and its two 14mm bolts. I've already done the driver's side, so it's not too hard. Go ahead and pull these brake pads out of here. Screw that back in until we get this bottom loose. All right. Take the caliper off. Try to set it somewhere where it doesn't fall or hang it. All right, next up is to remove the caliper bracket, and those are 13mm. Trying to get everybody where they can situate and see. Take those out. Set the bracket and the bolt to the side. Remove your brake rotor. Set it to the side. Next up is remove your axle nut. That's a 30mm. All right, next things are the three bolts that hold your hub on. They're 13mm. There's one here, and then one on the other side. So let's go ahead and try to get those loose. They may be a little tough too. Back y'all up out the way a little bit. One. All right. Next is to get y'all back out here. Is remove your ABS plug right here. Grab a pair of pliers. Pinch it. Unplug it. Now next is to remove the hub. Probably have to tap on it a little bit. See what happens. Tap that in. Make sure that's loose. All right. That's your axle washer, nut washer, spacer. Then, if this ring, this is your ABS ring. If that didn't come out, you have to get that out. Alrighty, trash. Hub bearing, trash. New hub bearing, ABS from AutoZone. I'll leave the part number in the description. Also, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share, click the notification bell, all that goodness. Leave a comment. Let me know how the channel's doing. If I can do anything to improve anything. Alright, so now we're going to take a little bit of, actually we're going to wipe some of this out of here. Put a little anti-seize back in here. Put a little bit on the shaft, the splines of the shaft, CV axle, whatever you want to call it. Some on the threads.
All right. See if we can't get this put back together here. Get your ABS plug back through the hole. Get it out the way. Line this bracket back up. Plug your sensor back in for your ABS. See if we can't get a couple hub bolts started. Maybe all of them. All right. Trying to stay out of y'all's way. All right. Next, let's reinstall our axle nut. Put a little anti-seize on there. All right, next we're gonna put our rotor back on. And then our bracket for our caliper. Tighten those down. They're actually 13, not 14. Reinstall our brake pads. Then our caliper. May have to find something to squeeze that just a little bit. Big pair of channel locks to do it. Grab our 2 bolts. Those are 14s. All right. Just got to reinstall the wheel. And the center cap. All right, that's going to conclude this video. Not too hard, pretty easy. Anybody can do it with a couple hand tools. Like I said, you don't need a handful. For 14 millimeter wrench, 13 millimeter wrench, 13 and 14 millimeter sockets, a ratchet, a 19 millimeter socket, a 30 millimeter socket for the axle nut, and you can get it done. I hope you liked the video. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, click the notification bell, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.